Ramen is very popular fast food in Japan, and I think it's getting more popular in the States as well. Everyone loves ramen, right? I feel like in here the popular broth is usually tonkotsu ramen. And tonkotsu is made with pork, so it's a little heavy to me. So whenever I go back to Japan, I always eat my favorite style, which is shoyu, which is soy sauce based, or salt, which is chicken broth based, because it's a little lighter than tonkotsu. I also love soft-boiled egg in ramen, and it's very easy to make. You just boil water and put the egg in it and wait for 6 to 7 minutes. This ramen recipe is developed by Daiki in Tasty Japan, and I'm so glad that he made this video so I can make at home. And another popular flavor is miso ramen. Miso ramen is miso-based broth. It's very good. Sometimes it comes with miso and butter, and sometimes it's a little spicy. My favorite toppings for ramen is menma, which is bamboo shoot. Kind of has a little crunchy texture to it, so it gives a nice texture into ramen because ramen is usually soft. It's considered like slow fast food because it takes a long time to make it, but it's very fast to serve. You can find a ramen shop easily in LA, but if you want to make it at home, there's ramen noodles you can find in Asian grocery stores. It usually comes with broth too. So this recipe is very easy to make at home, so please give it a try.